Today, I'm going to show you how to draw and animate viral 2D characters in Blender just like these, using a simple hand-drawn style that's blowing up on YouTube Shorts right now, and the best part is it's super easy. So first, bring your reference image. I'm choosing Messy, then select the grease pencil and start drawing. By outlining the face, by default, you'll see two layers called Lines and Fills. Rename lines to face to stay organized, then create new layers for each part like hair, beard, and details, making sure you're always drawing on the correct layer and hiding others if needed, since each layer represents a part of your character and keeps everything clean. Continue sketching all the details with the pencil tool and feel free to change stroke colors anytime. Once you're satisfied, switch to fills and start coloring areas like the eyes, hair, and beard. You can use solid colors or gradients depending on your style. Just make sure the fill layers are below the line layers so the outlines stay visible. Then refine your drawing by adding shadows and extra details. Draw Messy's Barcelona shirt with the logo and text. And to make the scene more interesting, you can add a background like Camp Nou or import images as planes. Maybe even add a microphone like Messy is giving a speech. You can also hide layers, adjust opacity, and tweak everything until it looks perfect. And now the real question is, how do we rig Messy, make him move, and turn this into a viral animation? That's coming next.